Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this content. Thank you. Millie Mackintosh is a uh, reality TV star turned home renovation maven, and her life is a beautiful blend of glamour and grit. Her journey from maid in Chelsea to home renovation expert is nothing short of inspiring. Um, the transformation of her new abode with its pink bathroom tiles and a mouse named Alan mirrors the transformative nature of her own life. Millie Mackintosh recently shared stunning images of her luxurious home makeover, where she transformed her previous kitchen into a cozy television lounge. Currently, the ex-star of Made in Chelsea, aged 35, along with her husband Hugo Taylor, who is 38, are actively renovating their newly acquired residence together. On Thursday, Millie posted before and after photos on Instagram of her cozy new space, referring to it as a little heaven within her home and in a room that had been transformed from a light tone kitchen into a lounge area. Millie could be seen unwinding comfortably on a deep gray corner couch, its color harmonizing with the walls and ceiling while she was dressed in a coordinating green ensemble. The cozy room was adorned with vibrant pillows and decorations that harmonized with its dark gray backdrop, and it featured a large television mounted on the wall, nestled within a bookcase, making it a taste of home. The snug was full of photo frames containing adorable snaps of Millie, husband Hugo, and their daughters, Sienna and Aurelia. Uh, Title Millie penned, "Here's our cozy nook, before and after." There's a unique charm to fashioning a small haven within your home, and our television room certainly fits that description. Um, Initially serving as a kitchen, it was tucked away from the household's activity, uh, making it our preferred choice for unwinding and disconnecting in the evenings. And this space envelops you and provides a sense of comfort as if it's giving you a cozy embrace. And so this space, you can lose yourself in a captivating book under its blankets, enjoy a quiet movie night, or just bask in the tranquility. It's perfect for all of these relaxing activities. Millie expressed gratitude towards the brands that assisted in furnishing the cozy space, mentioning, quote, "Callahan Interiors skillfully turned this room into a peaceful sanctuary with their exceptional custom carpentry work, moving from clever storage designs to illuminated shelves. Each element contributes to a cozy, serene ambiance. The corner sofa is from Andrew Martin Interiors, while a custom-made rug by Layla Holmes ties everything harmoniously in place. Let's not forget about the lighting. The soft light emitted by Pookie Likes lamps perfectly captures that cozy, relaxing ambiance in the evenings. Um, my co-paints collaborations color Renew was used to paint the walls and trim. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,